If your dog or cat has the pedigree and charisma of Rin Tin Tin or Lassie, and you've already invested thousands of dollars and hundreds of hours trying to attain championship status, you probably aren't thinking about spaying or neutering yet, but you hopefully will be in the near future. Everyone should consider that we are currently experiencing horrendous problems of pet overpopulation. If you're like me, as a parent of a regular puppy, dog, kitty, or cat, the responsible thing to do is have them spayed or neutered. Firstly, let's get rid of some of the emotional barriers. Using today's modern anesthetics and pre-surgical screening, the procedures are safe and relatively painless. Any post-surgical discomfort can be alleviated with an injection or medication which can be prescribed. And by the way, there are no lingering memories of romantic interludes, nor should pets get fat and lazy, as many often fear, as long as some common-sense dietary adjustments are made. More importantly, it's the right thing to do to reduce the awful statistics of unwanted street animals and unnecessary euthanasia. Right now, as I speak, there are thousands of frightened kitties and sad puppies on death row. Here's some more advantages in getting your pet fixed. I'll get around to mentioning how simple it is in just a few minutes. Your male dog will be much less aggressive. The postman and the neighborhood kids will thank you. He'll also stop thinking that every inch of your new Berber carpeting needs to be continuously christened. Your cats won't outline their territory with that odorous spray, or if they do, it will be a lot less offensive. Your own canine Casanova won't burrow through the flower bed and under the fence, dodge cars, and get lost while following his nose to satisfaction. The truth is that 75% of dogs found dead on U.S. roads and highways are non-neutered males, and that almost 70% of dogs surrendered to shelters are non-neutered males brought in because of behavioral problems. With cats, that annoying meow of your tomcat through the night will finally cease, and your neighbors will start speaking to you once again. The advantages to spaying your females are also significant, mostly for medical reasons. Dogs spayed early, especially before their second heat, will have a 90% reduction in the incidence of mammary cancer, one of the most common cancers of female dogs, not to mention the complete prevention of ovarian and uterine diseases later on in life. The procedure can be done at almost any period of a young animal's life. And for cats and small and medium breed dogs, it should ideally be done before reaching puberty by about 6 months of age, and even as early as 12 to 16 weeks of age. With recent studies indicating a possible link to growth and bone problems later in life in large breed dogs spayed or neutered pre-pubertally, some veterinarians are now recommending these procedures be performed on the large and giant breeds at about 10 to 12 months of age, but still before the second heat in females, which is usually around 14 months of age. As I mentioned, pre-anesthetic blood screening and post-operative pain management helps make the surgery safe and relatively pain-free. After the surgery, pets often like to lick their wounds, but you won't want them to disturb their sutures, so your veterinarian will probably guard against that with an Elizabethan collar, which may look silly, but does the job. For years, well-informed animal lovers and advocates have pleaded with pet parents to have their pets spayed and neutered. Join the thousands of people who have taken their advice. Talk to your veterinarian right away. You and your pet will be happy you did.